I want to expand a little bit on the logo diffusion editor and show you a couple things you can do with it and how much control it gives you over the AI output. So to get started, I want to click on this edit icon over here. It's going to open an empty canvas, and I want to start by doing an iOS app icon. So I can start by going to the icons button, and I'll start by using this first square over here with rounded edges. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it black. I want to do an app icon for a tennis app, so I can just go to add icons, click on the circle over here, make sure it's white so we can see it against the black square. Let's make it a little bit bigger like this. Let's actually make the square a little bit bigger, make the circle a little bit bigger. And once we have it centered, let's go to the pen tool, click on this brush size and on the black color. And then let's just draw a couple curves over the circle. You can take your time in making these lines cleaner, but I'm just gonna do a quick job today. Let's click Save Changes. Let's use 5 for image influence. Let's set Use Image Colors to No, and let's use Thick Outline for the edge detection. And for the prompt, let's write something like tennis ball, app icon, pastel colors. Let's give the tennis ball 2 bolts for importance, app icon 1 bolt, and let's just leave pastel colors as it is. Let's choose 3D and click Generate. Alright, so looking at the results, you can see we got a pretty good result over here. You will always get some random results like this. This is always going to be an issue with AI, but the more we use logo diffusion, the better it's going to get as we rate these results with dislike and like. But looking at this one, we can, for example, if we want to use it, we can just click on remove background, give it a few seconds, and it's going to download a version of this icon with no background. As you can see, it's really used almost as a production icon. I also use the same technique, making this mask over here to create a bread making app icon. So clicking on it, you can see the level of details you can get out of this. So let's say we like this one, you can just click on upscale. This is already 768 by 768 pixels, but clicking upscales gives us 1500 by 1500 version of the image. After a few seconds, you're going to get the upscaled version, and you can see that you get all the details in it at a higher resolution.